Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Spiegel Mom Scraps Design Team layout. We are using the Strawberry Punch from September 2024. So from this month's release and a page kit. So this is Vicki Booten. It was for layout number 25. I'm still just working my way through. Lots of photos here. So we got 4 photos of this beautiful fish, and then the girls and CJ almost pulling Jamie in. So, funny. We also have all kinds of goodies on here. Let's see what we got. Okay, those are the smaller papers. I really like this. Oh, you know what? Oh no, hold on. Kind of like that. And then we can bring in Plum Delight. What else do we have here? We have Bookish. Some green in that. Let's see what we can do with that. So we've got some June and September. So Plum Delight is from September. These are both from June. I'm going to go ahead and use that guy. And just get that on there. So we've got okay. I'm only going to do the 2 photos. We'll come back and do more later. Okay. So we're going to trim our photos down a little bit. And then I'm going to get them placed on there, but then what I want to do with the colors is I'm going to sprinkle them all the way. Like, somehow use the color matching there. So we're just going to come in and knock this white border off. So we'll take it to 3.5. By what? I need a taller or a longer trimmer. I need at least to go to 6, right? What do you guys recommend? And so we're gonna do these guys. Kind of like that, and then that's going to sit over here. We will trim it down and condense it because I do want to get it on a darker background. What do we have? I'll bring in the orange. So they were just taking a selfie there. We went, this is at She Loves Color last year, and we went to the they have a lantern festival. So I have no idea why I did that. Okay. And then we'll just do, oh, that would have been pretty too. All right. So now, because we're just going to sit this right here, I'm going to trim that up a little bit. I got to figure out what to do with the sequins, I think. Son of a biscuit. Let's just trim this before it's overwhelmingly awful and I can't figure out what I'm doing. So head to the shop, Spiegel Mom Scraps, and get some of the new releases. Use my code to get some money off. It's always good to use codes. Alright, so this is going to sit right about here. And like I said, I'm just going to... Or do we want to do it like this? And have them like... Yep, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to have them... Okay. So let me show you what I mean by what I'm going to do. So we're going to take this color right here. So you see I'm just dumping them on here. I know this is going to be weird. And then I just kind of want it to just kind of flow down. So kind of heavy concentration like drips. And I'm just going to go in with my little sequin picker and my glue. And we're just going to make that all fun. So if you give me just a minute to do that. But yeah, so we're just going to have just the drips. And then we're going to pull these guys out because I don't want any of the gold and the yellow over here. So just going to do some color matching with all the sequins I have over here. Move this guy back in there. Alright, so give me a minute. We're going to glue those and then we're going to have a nice little area. That's going to be so cool. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so we used all kinds of fun stuff, but look at how that turned out. How pretty is that? So they're all just kind of spread around. I've got Laugh You Are Limited Edition. And then so many things. I just don't really want to mess it all up, right? So I'm gonna put, gotta love it. Un momento. That was my son. My son was telling me he made it, so we've got that there. Put this little piece here. We're gonna come in and just pop in a few extra bits. I don't want that down here. And drop it in over there. Just trying to mood and feel, right? That guy there, but I think that's going to be it. You guys, I don't really want to add too much because I think it will just make it a little too... Alright, that is going to do it. So don't forget to check out the shop, pick up some of these lovely brand new sequin mix and some of the older ones as well. So I always tap, tap, tap to make sure that there's no sequins that fall off. But how fun is that? So yeah, there are little wordy bits on here, but they go the opposite way, but I really don't think it's going to matter that much. So yes, I am in love with this. So I like how it's just the little waterfalls going down, a very simple yet effective layout, very bright, very blingy. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.